In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up an IP address for a domain in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your domain to the correct server so your website loads properly for visitors. First, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your domain portfolio. This is the main area where all of your domains are listed. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right account and can see the full list of domain names you own. Next, find the specific domain you want to point to your hosting provider's IP address. If you have a lot of domains, you can usually use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've found the correct domain, look to the right side of that row for the DNS option. Depending on GoDaddy's current layout, this may appear as a DNS button directly next to the domain. Go ahead and click that. If you don't see a DNS button on the main list, click directly on the domain name itself to open its details page. Inside the domain details, look for a tab or link labeled DNS or DNS management. Select that to open the DNS settings. This is where all the records that control how your domain behaves on the internet are stored. Now you're going to manage the A record, which is the record type that points your domain name to an IP address. In the DNS records list, look for a record where the type is set to A, and the name, or host, is the @ symbol. That @ symbol represents the root of your domain without any subdomain like www. Once you've located that A record, click the pencil or edit icon next to it to open the editing panel. In the field labeled value, points to, or IP address, you'll see the current IP. Delete that existing value and paste in the IP address provided by your hosting company. It will typically look like a series of numbers separated by dots. After pasting the new IP address, double check it carefully. Even a single incorrect number will prevent your site from loading correctly. When you're confident it's accurate, click Save to apply the change. GoDaddy will update the record right away, but DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet. In many cases, it's fairly quick, but it can take up to a couple of hours before everyone sees the updated address. If your site doesn't load immediately, wait a bit and try again. That's all you need to do. You've successfully updated the A record, so your GoDaddy domain now points to the correct IP address provided by your hosting company.